You're over 50, you're craving more time freedom, like the kind that you can make money while you're sitting here in a lawn chair while at your trailer. Well, then stick with me in this video because this past weekend I made over $4,600 from my phone. No, I was not working all weekend, and it was not some viral video. It was from just a simple digital system and a skill set that I learned 16 months ago, and it's still paying me today. So if you're curious to learn how I'm doing it, and how thousands of other 50s and 60-year-olds are tapping into this for their retirement, stick with me in this video. I'm going to show you how it works. Hey, I'm Wendy. I'm a grandma of 3, retired from my 9 to 5 now, and I can literally work from anywhere as long as I have Wi-Fi. Like, you make money here at the campsite. But I didn't always have it together. In fact, we got our financial act together kind of late in life. And like many people, my husband and I, we were headed towards retirement where we'd probably have to keep working past 65 just to survive. And when I became a grandma, everything kind of shifted. Like, I knew I didn't want to spend the rest of my life stuck behind a desk working my 9 to 5 and missing those memories with my grandkids. Like, I honestly had to sacrifice that with my own kids growing up. So that's when I really started to search online. Like, I tried this course, that course. I made a little bit of money, but nothing that replaced my income. Like, I was just a regular grandma looking for a better way to earn. Then I found a system that actually worked and made sense to my 55-year-old brain. I could grasp it. And the best part, I could start right where I was. Like, no audience, no fancy tech skills. So if you want to know exactly what I did, I'm going to share that with you today. Okay, there are literally lots of ways to make money online, like with affiliate marketing, digital product, coaching, YouTube, and the list kind of goes on. But the truth is, you got to figure out what method fits you, fits your time, your personality, and your skill set. Like, I'm going to show you what worked for me, why I chose it, and how it changed our financial future. And you may want to join me, and you may not, and that's totally okay. But people ask me every single day, Wendy, how did you actually start making money online? And this is the program I share because it's what I started with. And it's what I still use and share today because I believe it's the best way to start for beginners. I started with a system called the Daily Pay Blueprint. It's built on something called master resale rights, meaning I get to resell the program and keep 100% of the profit, right? Like crazy. It gave me access to 4 resellable digital programs that I didn't even have to create. I didn't have to create a course or a product. This system gave me a pre-built website, 30 plus email templates, and a video training to guide me through the steps. Like, you can start at any tier that fits your budget and upgrade later if you want. And if you want help deciding which one might be the best, then just reply to any of my emails. I'll help you along with that. This part changed everything. Branded website with my name and picture, so you can see it right here. It's totally amazing, all for just $39. A freebie that collects emails for me automatically. This is what mine looks like. And an email sequence that builds trust and sells on my behalf. And how this system runs, even while I'm, out camping this weekend, for example, it's all in automation. We have an absolutely free class, and that's what I always recommend people to so they understand the big picture. I started posting short, relatable videos about my journey, why I needed a change, what I was doing to earn online, and how people could grab my freebie or join the class to learn more. It's really what I do. That's it. No chasing people, no awkward messages, just sharing my story. The cool thing is my automations close the sale for me. So I don't have to be a salesperson. I learn from home. I learn from my trailer or anywhere I want because this is a digital learn from your phone type of business. So this is for you if you're over 40, over 50, really any age, but if you want to create options for retirement. You're tired of working hard and you're still falling behind. You don't want to build a business from scratch, but you want to do something real. You're coachable, consistent, and you're done with excuses. Grab that Freedom Formula Blueprint. It lays it all out for you, like the links in the description below. Why I took a program. One, I didn't have time or the brain power to try to figure out the fastest, easiest way for this 55-year-old to start making money online. I just didn't. I wanted somebody who had proven results, who had a step-by-step way to learn. The fact that I could learn from video training was brilliant because I could rewind it, watch it again, which was perfect for my brain. And a little rainy here at the trailer today, so I'm getting some speckles on my glasses. So the other thing I loved about this program is the fact that it had live interactive mentorship and coaching and live tech support. I'm not techie. Now I can follow instructions, I can follow a video, and even if I have to watch it like slower and over again, I can do that. But the fact that if I did struggle, there was somebody I could connect with, live tech support that was able to answer my questions. Now that was brilliant for me and good for, I believe, people who not techie like me and who are just not used to the online space. We didn't grow up with that. Now in our 50s, we are quite capable of learning new skills. I'm quite capable. I'm just not techie. I'm willing to put the time and effort in to learn something. So as long as you have a coachable spirit and a desire to learn new things, then this program can work for you. Now, everybody doesn't use the master resale rights to this program. Some people use it just because they want to learn digital marketing skills, because Forbes says digital marketing is one of the highest income skills that you need to learn right now and is projected to continue to rise. So if you don't know this skill set, you will not be able to make money online. So learning digital marketing, how to find your perfect customer, how to do videos, how to connect online, how to do automation and email marketing, all those things are digital. And that's what you need to learn. So when I was able to have a step-by-step program that taught me the steps to take, it was amazing. Now, I tried courses before and it lacked tech support, it lacked live support, it lacked someone to connect with. And for me, that was too valuable. And the nice thing about this program too is we do a live class and literally it shows you step by step. I don't have to show up and do that live class. The one who created this program shows up and does that for me. So if you want to see that live class, you can find the link below and it'll literally walk you through how this program works. I have no idea if this is something that you want to do or participate in or learn from. But for me, this is what worked for me. If you don't have automation, you don't have freedom. That's how I was able to earn over $4,000 this past weekend, was because of automation. If you're wanting to make money online, you need to have automation because that's literally your freedom machine. That's how I was able to have fun with my grandkids, enjoy campfires, and make money and not be stuck to my phone or my laptop, because you set up things in advance. They run for you 24/7. And because of automations, where it does all the informing and selling for me, and it makes sales on my behalf. So like literally I was at a campground potluck enjoying food with some friends we invited to celebrate Canada Day, and I made sales. I actually made sales during our fireworks. Like that's how amazing automation is. Learning from college and university, we can understand that, right? That is normal, expensive, but normal. But yet when we say we're going to learn online, all of a sudden we get, whoa, that can't be right. That's a scam. Like seriously, digital marketing, the e-learning is an industry that's on the rise. It's what's in demand and what's going up, because ever since the pandemic, learning has changed. People show up online because there's other ways. I went to college like a zillion years ago when dinosaurs roamed the earth to learn graphic design. I still use that skill set today. And honestly, that school still sells the exact same program today. It's just been updated to reflect modern day times and technology. So when you have an educational program and you get the master resale rights to resell it, that is a brilliant way to start making money because you get to learn and earn at the same time. How amazing is that? Like if I was a college, I would get to keep all the money, right? The schools get to keep all the money, but this type of an educational program shares it with you, me. And that's how we can learn and earn. Isn't that amazing? Like I just still can't even comprehend that learning style, but it's working to this day and it's a purely legit way to earn money online. Now, I have taken the skills I've learned from this, opened up multiple income streams. People ask me all the time, what are those income streams, Wendy? I have multiple affiliate marketing. I have multiple affiliate products that I recommend, which means you make a percentage of income from those products. I have monthly reoccurring affiliate products, so they pay me every month over and over again. I've created my own digital product. I've created my own digital course, and I've created my own membership. These are things that I have learned. And plus, I've monetized on YouTube. So look at here. This is my YouTube earnings just from this month. That is the power of learning how to open up multiple income streams. I didn't know any of this before I took the course. So yes, I happily share it with others because it's radically changing my life, our retirement, and our goals and dreams. And if I can help one other 50-year-old, 60-year-old change their retirement because they learned these skill sets, that's why I show up online, to help you. And if you want to ask me any questions about this, I am always happy to answer them. My preferred way is just to reply to an email because I can give you more in depth. So if you want to ask me a question, you can pop in the comments below or just reply to any of my emails once you grab the Freedom Formula Blueprint, and I'll reply. I'll answer your questions. So if you want to see the exact steps I took to retire myself at 55 years of age because I learned this skill set that I just taught you in this video, you're going to want to watch this. Because when you partner that with what I just shared with you here, you're going to like, ooh, I understand completely, Wendy. So I'll see you in the next video. See you later.